Build custom eSignature integrations using AI-powered, context-aware code suggestions. To get started, install the SignNow API extension for Copilot from GitHub Marketplace. Ensure you've set up a SignNow developer account to access the API dashboard, create your app, and generate your API key to authorize requests. Next, let's create an embedded workflow for sending multiple documents for signatures. Start typing your prompts with the @SignNow tag. For example, ask AI to generate Java code to upload multiple documents to SignNow using the API. In seconds, you'll get a code example that adheres to SignNow's developer guidelines, complete with Copilot's notes and documentation links. Next, let's add fillable fields to the documents. Tell Copilot what recipient roles and field types you need, and it'll walk you through the process. It even highlights key variables like document IDs and customizable field parameters. Need to send multiple documents? Ask AI to create a document group using the relevant document IDs. Once the document is created, generate an embedded eSignature invite. Just let AI know who needs to sign and specify email addresses, authentication parameters, and redirect links. Copilot generates detailed code examples that are easily customizable to your requirements, significantly reducing development time. Finally, ask Copilot to generate secure links for each recipient to access the embedded signature invite, and set an expiration time for extra security. That completes the process. In under 3 minutes, you've built an embedded signing workflow for multiple documents and recipients. Additionally, Copilot can also help you add custom branding, subscribe to webhook events, download completed documents, retrieve document history, and more. Get the SignNow extension for GitHub Copilot today and start building, customizing, and troubleshooting your eSignature integrations.